What's up guys, it's Eric from Verus Engineering, and today we're machining some GT3 uprights. We're going to take this block of 6061 T6 aluminum and turn it into this beautifully crafted upright for the GT3. This unit basically bolts to the factory wing where the factory wing goes and basically adapts it for our UCW wing element. Starting out, we're at about 4.85 pounds. We end up at about 0.85 pounds. This unit is produced in our UMC 750 SS and is designed, built, and machined here in the United States. The unit is basically produced in one operation. So we start with a blank stock and we come out with a finished part. Boom. It's pretty awesome. Let's get to watching the video, and if you have any questions, we will do our best to answer those in future videos.